Hi everyone, it's Janine here and welcome back to Wealth Wednesdays. I am so excited to talk to you about investing when we are in a recession. Now, all of us know that it has not been a great year for the stock market. We've also seen interest rates go up, which ultimately means that inflation is higher, costing average Canadians and Americans more money to live on a day-to-day basis. It can be really overwhelming when you see the up and down swings of the market, and predominantly in 2022, we have seen a drop in the stock market. That being said, I want to remind you to stay invested and to keep investing. I know that it can be really heart-wrenching to watch your hard-earned dollars disappear, but they aren't actually disappearing. I want to remind you that you still own units in that asset and the price is just discounted currently. Always remember to have a long-term mindset, and if you can, try and frame it as you are getting a really great deal on a specific investment asset, then go ahead and do that. In addition, I know it can be really stressful to check on your net worth or how your investment portfolio is doing, so I would suggest putting that off into a future date so that you aren't checking it every day or even every week, maybe even not every month, maybe every quarter. Keep your strategy the same. We want to make sure that we're continuing to invest in diversified assets across a variety of different sectors, industries, and countries around the world. Seeing your investments go down may trigger some money trauma and may also trigger some feelings of failure and that you have not chosen the right investment. But I promise if you stay the course, the stock market will correct. The general trend is up. Please try and remind yourself that the average return of the stock market is just over 10% per year. And again, while we have up and down years, the general trend is up. And if we're looking at that long-term mindset, 20, 30, 40 years from now, your investments will appreciate in value. Keep investing, stay invested, don't panic sell. Keep leveraging dollar cost averaging so that you can continue to smooth the curve on the purchase price of your investments. And let's hope for a brighter and more profitable 2023 in the stock market. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.